Hello children, welcome back to my part 2 video of today's assignment of chapter number 5, We Help One Another. So in my first part video children, I taught you all the book exercises and I hope you all have completed your book exercises with it only, and you all have understood those book exercises very clearly, and hope you also have understood the chapter, what is it about. Now in this part 2 video children, we are going to do one notebook exercise, okay, and which will be the last notebook exercise for this chapter, and by this we will complete our chapter number 5. So from next week we will be starting with our number 6 chapter on food, okay. The topic will be food. So before that I want you all to complete all your notebook work in your notebooks, because there are 5 chapters which have already been done. So it's a humble request to you all children that please complete all your work date wise, daily, time to time, so that it will be easy for you all to learn also, and you will not be overstressed with it, okay. आपको ऊपर एकदम से burden भी नहीं पड़ेगा. Now are you all ready for today's video? Very good. So for that you have to take out your EVS notebook number 3, okay, and then please turn to new page, okay, because we are going to do one last exercise E part. So you all know that when we start a new exercise or new topic, we started every time from a new page and we write the date also. So today's date you will write here, that is 1/5/2021, because yesterday we have ended with our the month of April. Now from today May month has been started, so we will write today's date 1st May 2021. May is the 5th month, okay. Now first of all you will give the heading of the chapter with its number, that is chapter number 5, We Help One Another. Then children, as usual, we write assignment number 5.4. We write assignment number in the second line. In this I forgot, by mistake I forgot to write, so I have written in this line, but you all will write this assignment number in the second line properly, as we do before also, as we have done it before also. So you will write like that, and then in the third line you will give the heading of part E, write true or false. So this exercise is about true, false. Clear? So what you will do, you will read the sentence. There are 5 true false sentences. You will read each and every sentence very carefully, and then you will make out if the sentence is correct, you will write true, and if the sentence is wrong, then you will write false. Is that clear? So are you all ready? And before starting this exercise children, I want to ask you all that you all have completed till assignment number 5.3. This was yesterday's assignment, in which we have done answer in one word. So I hope you all have completed that. So children, please make sure that you complete that all the work in your notebook very neatly and nicely. So coming to the first question, first sentence, we love and care for our family. हम अपनी फैमिली को बहुत प्यार करते हैं और हम अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स की केयर करते हैं. Is this true or false? This statement is correct, and you will write true for this sentence, okay. So what you will do, you will make the opening bracket and you will write TRUE, true, and then bracket closed. Clear? So we love and care for our family, true. Is that clear to you all children? Now coming to the second part, our grandparents do not care for us. क्या हमारे grandparents हमारी care नहीं करते? This is wrong, so we will write FALSE, false. Is that clear children? This statement is wrong, because our grandparents love and care for us, and they also tell interesting stories to us, okay. So this statement is false, so we will write FALSE, false. Now coming to the third question, we should not help our mother in the kitchen. हमें अपनी मम्मा की किचन में हेल्प नहीं करनी चाहिए। क्या ये स्टेटमेंट सही है? आप लोग अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प करते हो किचन में कि नहीं करते हो? जो लोग नहीं करते, वेरी बैड चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल ऑल हेल्प योर मदर्स इन योर किचन, इन किचन, ओके, एंड नथिंग यू हैव टू डू देयर, जस्ट छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से भी आप अपनी मम्मा को हेल्प कर सकते हो किचन में। जैसे आप जब खाना मम्मी बना रही है तो सबको रोटी सर्व कर दिया, whatever food is there, you will serve the food to each and every family member, you can serve it, okay. Then what you can do, when your mother is cooking food, while you can wash some fruits and vegetables for her, okay. So you can do all these things. So we should not help our mother in the kitchen. This is false, this is wrong. So you will write FALSE, false. Clear to you all? Now coming to the fourth sentence, our parents earn money for our family. हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारी फैमिली के लिए पैसे अर्न करते हैं. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? Yes, this is true. So what you will write? TRUE, true. Correct? Now coming to the fifth sentence, we should not keep things at their proper places. हमें चीज़ों को जगह पे नहीं रखना चाहिए. Is it true or false? Yes, very good. This is false, क्योंकि हमें अपनी चीज़ों को जगह पे रखना चाहिए. So what you will write here? FALSE, false. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood these 5 true false. Once again I am repeating, so listen to it very carefully, children. First of all, you will write down the date. Then in the next line you will write down the heading of chapter number with its name, and then in the second line you will give the heading of assignment number 5.4. Third line you will write part E, write true false, and then you will start with your sentences. Number 1 is we love and care for our family. हम अपनी फैमिली को बहुत प्यार करते हैं और उनकी केयर करते हैं. This is true, TRUE, true. Our grandparents do not care for us. हमारे grandparents हमारी केयर बिल्कुल नहीं करते. This is false, 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 because grandparents हमारी बहुत केयर करते हैं और हमसे बहुत प्यार भी करते हैं. Third is we should not help our mother in the kitchen. हमें अपनी मम्मा की किचन में हेल्प नहीं करनी चाहिए. This is absolutely wrong. So you will write FALSE, false here, okay. And those children who don't help their mothers in the kitchen, so please from now you all promise me that you will all help your mother in the kitchen, not only in the kitchen but with all her household work, okay. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से भी आप मम्मी को हेल्प कर सकते हो, ठीक है. देन द फोर्थ वन, आवर पेरेंट्स अर्न मनी फॉर आवर फैमिली. दिस इज ट्रू, TRUE, ट्रू. देन द फिफ्थ वन, वी शुड नॉट कीप थिंग्स एट देयर प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. हमें अपनी चीज़ों को प्रॉपर जगह पे नहीं रखना चाहिए. दिस इज फॉल्स, FALSE, फॉल्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज ट्रू फॉल्स वेरी क्लियरली. नाउ you can complete this work, all this work, by Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, you will not get any homework tomorrow. So who all have not done their work properly, please make sure that by Sunday you complete all your notebook work properly, and then from next week we will start doing our new work, okay. So please start learning also, and very soon you will be informed for your UTs. So for that you have to learn things very carefully and you have to understand also. So children, please make sure that you complete all your work very neatly and nicely, okay. So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.